This is the Commander-in-Chief's guards. They were an elite security force to protect General Washington, his official family, and his equipment, supplies, and papers. Originally, there were 47 of them to protect George Washington. When Baron de Steuben arrived in February of 1778, he requested 100 additional soldiers from states other than Virginia be annexed to the Guard. Under Steuben's instruction, these soldiers would serve as a model company for drilling the entire army. Washington required that each lifeguard, as they called themselves, be a native-born American. It was assumed that such men would be loyal as they had an invested interest in the success of the war. Each man was to be 5'5" to 5'10" tall, be of good character, be clean, which back in those days was important and hard to do. Today, that tradition continues in the form of the 3rd United States Infantry, a unit that stands guard at the tomb of the unknown soldier in Arlington. This is the winter headquarters of George Washington and his staff, and also Mrs. Washington, from December 1777 to June 1778. All of his servants, his aides de camp, would be here along with his wife, sharing this house for the winter. This is the command headquarters, and this is the actual headquarters, not a reproduction. He commanded out of here for 6 months, from December to June. This is George Washington's headquarters, and the actual room where he sent off all his orders and received communications back from his men. This is the 2nd floor, one of the bedrooms. That is considered a camp cot. And all of his staff, George Washington and Mrs. Washington also was here to spend time with her husband through the winter of preparations. Over here is another bedroom. most likely for officers assisting him. And through here, I have a feeling this is George Washington's bedroom with Mrs. Washington. I could be wrong, but I'm going to ask and find out. It's the only one that's got a big four-poster bed like that, and I'm thinking the general would definitely have it.